Ladies and gentlemen, this is SoFlo Josh, and we're here at the 24 Hours of Daytona, and Mazda actually brought out the all-new 2026 CX-5. So as many of you know, the CX-5 is completely redesigned for the 2026 model year, and it's solely a gasoline engine for the time being. Later on, it will be offered in a hybrid. I believe it's the same one that we find in the CX-50 for this generation. But as you see, complete redesign. So up at the front, new headlight designs with a dual setup for the DRLs. I really like the projector lights right here. As you see, they are a dual setup right there. The grille has shrunken a little bit. In a world where grills are getting bigger, Mazda actually shrunk, and I really like the way it looks. You have all your assisted driving view right there in the center with a 360 camera in the center area as well. And then the lower portion is filled out in gloss black. Now, this color, I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but it kind of reminds me of the cement color that we've seen in many other branded vehicles. It's a very popular color within the automotive industry as of right now. But as you see, we also have some gloss black wheel designs. They're a little bit smaller compared to what you see in the higher up trims, if I'm not mistaken. We also got 360 cameras on the side mirror caps. And in the inside, I know you guys can't see it that well, but you have a large center display right there. And also everything is embedded in there. So that means climate control is now embedded into the screen compared to before. And also, I've noticed that when it comes to the overall design, the way that it goes back is a little bit more, leaning back towards the end of the trunk space. So it adds more height compared to the CX-50 and the outgoing CX-5, which I'm actually happy about. And at the back, full LED turn signals right here, as well as your LED lights. I really like the way they designed it. Very Japanese in its overall design presence. We got the Mazda spelled out across like many other brands are doing right now with their logos. Instead of doing logos, they're doing the lettering for their name of the brand. CX-5 right there with all-wheel drive. And then you still have a dual outlet exhaust, which is something rare nowadays when it comes to all new generations of vehicles. They've begun to get rid of the exposed exhaust tips. Not sure why, but I really like the overall design presence of the CX-5 now seeing it in person, and especially compared to CX-50. Not a huge fan of the CX-50. I know that one was kind of more of like an American version of the CX-5, but I think this will go ahead and fill that gap perfectly. I mean, it's one of Mazda's best-selling vehicles in its lineup, and there's a reason why the CX-5 still outperforms the CX-50 in overall sales. But let me know what y'all think. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.